Welcome to Cesare Lamraso, your ultimate guide to mastering crime detection and investigation. In this video, we'll cover essential review questions to enhance your legal knowledge. Crime detection and investigation. 10 review questions, set 4. A. Are you ready to test your skills and excel in your exams? Subscribe now for more law-related review content. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. It supplements photographs of the crime scene and considered to be the simplest and the most effective way of showing actual measurements and of identifying significant items of evidence in their location at the scene. A. Crime scene sketch. B. Rough sketch. C. Finished sketch. D. Direction sketch. In searching for physical evidence at the crime scene, the following types of search could be used depending upon locale, number of personnel available, type of object sought and speed desired, except A. Strip and double strip or grid search. B. Zone search. C. Rectangular and circular search. D. Spiral and wheel search. Which of the following must be done to maintain the physical integrity of evidence? A. Evidence must be photographed and packaged. B. Evidence must be properly documented. C. Maintain its chain of custody. D. Identify, tag and seal the evidence. Which of the following must be done to maintain the legal integrity of evidence? A. Evidence must be properly documented. B. Maintain its chain of custody. C. Identify, tag and seal the evidence. D. Photographed and packaged the evidence. The methodology involving the systematic searching, handling, distribution and accountability of all evidence found at the crime scene, including the documentation of every article of evidence from the point of initial discovery at the scene, to its collection and transport to the point of examination, its temporary storage and its final disposal is referred to as A. Corpus delicti. B. Blotter. C. Necropsy report. D. Chain of custody. To prove the chain of custody of evidence, the following must be demonstrated except A. The evidence must be free from alteration, contamination, and switching. B. The evidence offered is the same evidence found at the scene. C. There is no opportunity to replace or improperly alter the evidence. D. Any change in the condition of the evidence can be explained. Which of the following is not one of the questioning techniques that should be utilized in interrogation? A. Chronological. B. Going backward. C. General to specific. D. Going upward. In questioning a witness, an ideal type of written statement is A. Narrative type because it is easier and will be short. B. Question and answer because it provides details of acts. C. Combination of the two. D. Your convenient type. Jesse was invited by the NBI operatives to answer questions pertinent to the murder case investigated. After the questioning at the NBI headquarters, however, he was held for further questioning and considered him a suspect already. Persons who can visit him are as follows, except A. Lovers, friends, and countrymen. B. Immediate member of his family. C. Any medical doctor, priest, or religious minister. D. Personnel of the CHR. Republic Act No. 7438 defines immediate members of the family are as follows, except A. Spouse, fiancé/fiancée, parents, child, brother, or sister. B. Grandparents, grandson/daughter, great-granddaughter/grandson. C. Uncle, aunt, guardian, ward. D. Relatives, intimate friends, and best friends. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.